In this video, we'll look at whether MgOH2 is an electrolyte or a non-electrolyte. This is magnesium hydroxide. So we have this metal, magnesium, this group of nonmetals. This is the hydroxide ion. So we know that it's going to be a base because we have a metal and a hydroxide. An electrolyte, that's a substance that dissolves in water and it produces ions. And these ions, that means the solution is going to conduct electricity. So we know we have a metal and this group of nonmetals. We know we have an ionic compound. The question is, will this dissolve in water? Let's take a quick look at a solubility table. Hydroxides are often insoluble. So we go down, here's magnesium Mg2+, that's the magnesium ion, and OH-, the hydroxide ion. We go over and down. That I means that it's insoluble in water. Very, very small amount of it will dissolve in water. Most of it remains a solid. Let's go back to our definition. So because we have this insoluble compound, only a very, very small amount will dissolve into ions. So we'll have ions, there just won't be very many, so it will only weakly conduct electricity. So we say MgOH2 is a weak electrolyte. If we were to write the ions out, we'd get that Mg+, Mg2+, since it's in group 2 on the periodic table, and then we get the hydroxide ion. That's the OH-, and we'd have 2 of those. But we wouldn't have many of these ions because it's insoluble. We should put a little AQ though. The ones that do dissolve would be dissolved in water. They'd be aqueous. So in answer to our question, MgOH2, it's insoluble, so very small amount will dissolve into ions, and those ions, because there aren't many, really won't conduct electricity well. One final note is that it's helpful to memorize the common strong acids and strong bases. You'll see these a lot in chemistry. So we don't see magnesium hydroxide on here, so we know it's not a strong base. That means it's going to be a weak base, and it'll be a weak electrolyte. This table, really good to know as you move forward in chemistry. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.